1 typo, 1 any, 0 warnings, a crash in production. Let's build that exact bug, then fix it properly. Step 1. The bug. Here's a function that fetches a user and returns it typed as any. Nothing about this looks dangerous yet. Function getUserAny. Return API call. Name Sarah. Const user is getUser. const.log user name.uppercase. Typo, name. Compiles clean, crashes at runtime. Step 2. Why any let this through? Any doesn't describe a shape. It turns off type checking for that value completely. Every property access, every method call, no matter what it's named, is allowed. And it spreads. The moment an any value touches another variable, that variable silently becomes any too. Step 3. Fix it with unknown. Swap the return type to unknown. Same function, one word different, but now TypeScript refuses to let us touch the value at all until we prove what it is. Function getUser.unknown. Return API call. const.log user name.uppercase. Type error. User is of type unknown. Step 4. Narrow it properly. Unknown forces a narrowing check before use. Write a type guard once, and every typo gets caught at write time instead of at runtime. Interface user. ID number. Name string. Function is user, val unknown, val is user. Return type of val equals object. Val not null, and id in val, and name in val. Const user is getUser. If is user user, const.log user name. True, caught now, at write time. const.log user name. Accepted. Step 5. Untype third-party library. Same fix applies when a library ships no types. Instead of casting the whole import to any, write a narrow interface for just the part you actually use. Interface padfen. str, string, len number, string. Const pad is required bad sci.pad53. Typed, even though the library isn't. Step 6. Migrate gradually. If a codebase already has a pile of any scattered through it, you don't fix it all at once. Turn on the lint rule as a warning first. Then convert file by file, starting with whatever changes most often, since that's where any causes the most damage. .eslint.rc. Rules. At TypeScript slint no explicit any, warn. Every existing any becomes a visible warning. Fix file by file. Highest churn files first. The real cost. The cost of any was never the line where you wrote it. It's every line downstream that silently trusted it. A typo, a null where an object was expected, a string where a number was expected. All of it sails through untouched and shows up as a crash in production instead of a red line in your editor. If this saved you from a bug you didn't know you had, hit like. It actually helps the channel a ton. Subscribe the channel if you want the rest of this series and whatever's coming next. And if you know a dev still typing everything as any, send them this one. Might save their codebase too. See you in the next videos.